0, 1. Let's get started.
Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to be making these cute little envelopes. I'm going to use these as little stuffers in my mom's wedding album so that when she has memories or events or things that she wants to talk about in her first year, or she has guests that want to write her a letter, what they can do is grab one of these, open it up. I have all of this writing space, and then it can fold right back up. These little arms here shove right back in to close it up. And then we're gonna be able to take our book that we're working on and find a spot where we can just like shove these in. And we're still working on this book, so you guys are going through this with me. If you're interested in how we're putting the book together, check out the wedding book part sequence. This video is just going to be about this envelope, and if you want to check out the book itself, you'll be able to follow along with me and see the different kind of things that I put into the book. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started on these. Let me show you this one also. Look how cute this is. This is digital that I found online somewhere. I can't remember exactly where. If I do remember, I'll leave the link in the description box. But what I did was I did not glue this down, so that way everything can pull open like this. You have all this writing space. And then when you close it up, it can tuck in, if I can get it in. And then we can like slide these under there. And you can't even tell really that it's a pocket. So it's like a little secret note space, right? So we are gonna go ahead and make this one today. My next video is gonna be this. And so at the end, I'm gonna be leaving a little fast forward time lapse of this one. And then we're gonna make one of these together in one of my next videos. And this is a little cute folio that opens up, and you have like tons of little pockets and flip space for journaling. Look how awesome that is. It's so adorable. And we did it on our coffee dyed paper, and I'll leave the link for that one also. So here we are with our paper. Remember, this is just coffee dyed paper, crinkled from our video. The bottom that comes up, what you want to make sure is that your top, when you fold the top over, that you're going to fold it over a little bit more so that we can tuck the flap in. So this will be the front, and then we're going to flip that over and see how long do we want. I kind of want it a little bit long, like envelope size, like this. There we go. And then so you can get your edges crisp, you could either take a bone folder, the back of your fingernail, or even the back of your scissors, and just go over your creases so that those are nice and flat and crisp. Okay, so now we open that back up. This is the inside, this will be the outside, or pick whichever one you want. This is how I want mine. And now we're just gonna fold it so that everything is folded into the middle. So the outside looks like it's the envelope. Like that. And then this one is gonna tuck inside of here. There we go. And it's like this one. And that's how we made it. And so to get this cute little edging here, you might want to consider, I did not reinforce this paper, but as you can tell, I probably should have, so that these don't go all, you know, but I used my edging punch. So you can use your edging punch, which makes it really cool. Watch. And then you've got your edge punched. And then you can just like line it up so that you finish out like what the sides look like. See, isn't that cute? Okay, now let's decorate this. We're gonna do it a little bit similar to this so I can show you how I did that. Now what I did was I decorated the top with washi tape. This one I decorated the sides here, the top here, and let's go ahead and dig around and see what other kind of washi tape we can decorate with. I think I like, let's go with the leafy kind because I have some leafy die cuts that would match this, and I think that would look nice. So let's go with this one. Toss those out. And we're just gonna put that on the top to decorate it. You could put some glue down so your tape doesn't come up. I find that my tape always comes up, but I'll wait until it starts picking up a little bit and then start putting the glue underneath it. It just in my opinion, it just makes it easier. Okay, so now for this, I have actually some butterfly tickets. Where are my butterfly tickets? Here they are. I think these would look very cute. Is that for me? No, I guess not. Did you forget something? Let's put the butterfly tickets like that. I think that looks a little bit too busy with this, so I'm actually gonna take the washi tape off of it because I like the butterflies better, and I don't think the washi tape goes well with the butterflies. So I will just stick this, I guess, here, and something will come up to use it for later. Oh yes, that's totally gonna happen for sure. That's cute. I will leave the link in the description box for this sticker book and this sticker book that I pulled, or I was looking through earlier. I'm gonna use a few from this one too. There's some glitter fabric paint that I have. I don't know, I just found it like in a box somewhere. And so I use it to add a little bit of embellishment. Look how cute. I don't know if you can see the little sheen, but it's so cute. It's like a little bit of a pizzazz.
Gentle.
Oh, you know what I want to put here? I have a perfect idea. Rhinestones. Look. Oh my gosh, that's perfect. And for that, I'm gonna use this B7000. You could use B6000 also. I guess they're like super duper similar.
Oh my gosh.
I love it. I'm gonna leave it like that. So remember when you were in high school? Well, I mean, me at least. I was in high school in the 90s, so the late 90s. So we were always writing letters. Like we actually wrote letters to each other and notes. And so that's what you're gonna do here. Isn't that adorable? Oh my gosh. And stick it in your journal. Okay. So now that we have this one made,